What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota Sequoia remote key fob. This Toyota Sequoia key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do to replace this key fob battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice on the end of this key, there's a little bit of a lip. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that notch, like that. Push it straight in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Pull that back half off, and now we see our battery right here. And now what I'm going to do is take the key and use the edge of it again and get under the outer edge of this battery and pop it out of that holder. Once the old battery's out, I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll kind of tuck that inner edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Make sure that that board is sitting down in that rubber piece. Sometimes it shifts out of place a little bit. And then snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.